Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you all how to make a premium 3D shadow box car frame. So for that we will need a frame which is ready made, and then a Rolls-Royce car which is also fully functional, and then for the frame we will need a acrylic sheet. So we will avoid the glass sheet and add an acrylic sheet, and I have already printed and sticked the background of the frame, so you can choose any desired background for it. Then I'm taking a sellotape for making it. Then we'll stick the sellotape on the bottom of the car and mark 4 points where the screws are there with a pen, so that this will help us to know the center of the frame. And then we'll remove it and we'll stick it on the frame. After that we'll take a screwdriver and heat it with it and put holes in it, and then fix the car to it with the screws. Once it is attached, you can put the frame in the box as shown in the video and lock the corners of it. And yeah, once you have locked the corners, your frame is ready, which looks quite luxurious. And thank you for watching.